Hi, this is Freddie over at Platinum Auto World, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan with 51,000 original miles. It is in an automatic transmission, and it comes with the VMI conversion for easy wheelchair access. We're going to go ahead and do a quick walk around, and I'll show you how the ramp works. It comes with all the straps to hold down the wheelchair. And the car does not need to be running to operate the ramp. It can be turned off. I'm gonna go ahead and start the vehicle up so you can hear it run. Comes with a clean interior. Doesn't smell or stink like cigarettes. Press this button right here and the door would automatically open and the ramp will come out on its own, and you do the exact same thing to close the door and put the ramp up there. And that's it. This is what it looks like inside. It's got plenty of headroom. There's all the straps. It comes with 4 of them. All right. You can easily click this button again, and the ramp will come up on its own. It does come with backup camera also. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 540-898-8300. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.